Yo, welcome to For Your Influence. In today's video, I'm taking you to one of my favorite spots. We're in Cape Town, we're at the waterfront. We are going to the Time Out Market, taking you to get some oysters, some of the freshest oysters in Cape Town. My personal favorite spot, live oysters. Let's go check it out. This is gonna be fun. I love oysters.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stick around till the end, I've got a surprise for you. Now, Time Out Market. I'll tell you about this place later on in the video. Right now, let's go order some oysters. You get 1 oyster for 30 Rand. You get 6 oysters for 165, 12 oysters for 300 Rand, and 3 oysters plus a glass of wine for 170. Now, let's go taste some oysters.
Let me just check. No shells. She cleaned it very well. Freaking hell, man. This stuff is so fresh. Can't even smell. It smells like the ocean. Super fresh. Let's taste. My God. Wow, man. Doesn't get better than this. Freaking amazing. This shit is freaking delicious. Now, oyster etiquette. When you're done eating an oyster, put the shell upside down in the ice, like that. Shows that you are done with that. Second one. You saw me with the first one, right? I was chewing it. I know a lot of people swallow it, which I think is the most stupidest thing you could do, is swallow an oyster. You know? Chew your oyster. When you chew it, a lot of that flavor comes out. That's why I chew mine. And you should chew yours, so that you can get the full experience. A lot of people just want to down them and swallow them. Doesn't make sense. Man. This is mind-blowing. Also, another thing is about oysters. Oysters are vegetarians. So I'm eating a vegetarian. They filter feeders. They feed on algae. They feed on that. So that's what they eat mainly. This one over here has some of that hot sauce on that I put inside a little bit of black pepper. Squeeze of that lemon juice. Taste. I could do this every day. Man, there's nothing better than the oyster in this world. I don't care who says what. Literally nothing. This is the best thing in the world.
Time Out Market. The first one to open in Africa. Crazy. This market hosts some of the best chefs and bartenders in Cape Town. This is a high-end market, not your normal one. This concept first opened in Lisbon, then New York, Boston, Montreal, Chicago, and Dubai, and now it's in Cape Town waterfront. It seats 750 with 13 kitchens under one roof by local chefs and restaurateurs. It is open from Sunday to Wednesday 11 a.m. to 10 p.m. and Thursday to Saturday 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. I love this concept, man, and it's definitely worth a visit. I could make a whole video about this market, but not today, not right now. Let's get back to the oysters.
Knysna Oysters, Cape Town, waterfront, Time Out Market. Come and grab yourself some 6 oysters. Doesn't get fresher than this. Knysna Oysters, you guys are the best, in my opinion, in Cape Town, in South Africa. There is no better oyster than this. Incredible. Please come visit Time Out Market. Grab 6 oysters. Squeeze lemon juice on there. Slat them with a bit black pepper. Put one in your mouth. Chew on it. I promise you, by the time you get to the 3rd one, you would have fell in love. It took me some time to get used to oysters and to develop my palate, to get used to this flavors and just the texture. But I think this is so fresh that if you've had a bad experience with oysters, this would topple that any day, anytime. Knysna Oysters, the best. Can't keep saying it enough. I can't keep saying it enough. Knysna Oysters is the bomb. Cheers, man. The last oyster. I mean, I've had most of them not even without the lemon. That's how good they are. Just on their own. Super fresh. Last oyster. Last oyster. Like, subscribe. I'll catch you on the flip side.